Hello friends, welcome to English e-learning class. And today the topic which we are going to take in this video is chapter number 6 of the English practice book, Models. In the previous videos I have told you what are models, characteristics of models, and what models indicate when they are used in a sentence. So let us recapitulate once again. Models are the helping verbs that tells us the mood of a speaker. This is what we have done in our previous video. Now let's move on to worksheet number 1. Read the following sentences and can you say what is the significance of the underlined word in each sentence? You will see that some of the words are underlined in each sentence. You have to tell what does they convey. Now let us see the number 1 sentence. That bag is very small. You may carry it on the plane as hand baggage. Now second sentence is, could you shut the door please? So what does could indicate here? You ought to make amends for your bad behavior. Now in this sentence, what does this model ought to indicates? Then last is, if you talk you will get punished. So these are the models: may, could, ought to, will. You have these are the models. So remember that words which express attitudes like permission, request, suggestion, advice, threat, etc. are called models, because when these helping verbs are used in the sentences, they change the expression, they change the mood of the speaker. So let us find out what does these models that are underlined indicate. These are the attitudes: permission, request, threat or warning, advice, suggestion, necessity और duty. So can जो है वो क्या indicate करता है? Permission indicate करता है. So आपने यहाँ पर टिक लगा देना है. Could जो है it also indicate permission and request. These things you need to keep in the mind. ये चीज़ें आपको याद रखनी पड़ेंगी. Can मैंने आपको बताया था, can ability भी शो करता है, could भी ability शो करता है, but it shows present ability, it shows past ability. Could जो है it also indicates polite request, तो वो भी आएगा. May formal permission as you all know. Might also indicate permission and it also indicates suggestion or advice. Will indicate request, will indicate threat or warning. Would indicate polite request. Would and could are interchangeable. आप दोनों में से कोई भी यूज़ करोगे for the sentences indicating polite request, दोनों करेक्ट हो जाएंगी. Next is shall. Shall indicate threat and shall also indicate suggestion. Should indicate suggestion, but in this suggestion there is a choice. Should की जब हम सजेशन यूज़ करते हैं इट मीन्स चॉइस, द पर्सन माने या ना माने उसकी मर्जी. शुड आल्सो इंडिकेट नेसेसिटी और ड्यूटी. मस्ट इंडिकेट नेसेसिटी डैट कम्स फ्रॉम विद इन द पर्सन, जब पर्सन को खुद महसूस हो. लास्ट इज ought to indicate advice, suggestion and means it is a partial suggestion. Then it is a necessity or moral duty of someone to do something. Now come to next worksheet number 2. Work with the partner and rewrite the sentences using models indicated with each sentence. Every sentence there are models are given in the bracket like must, should they rakhe, and you have to rewrite the sentences. One has been done as an example. So let us see what is there. डू नॉट कम टू हाउस टिल इट स्टॉप्स रेनिंग. आपको इसमें मॉडल जो है वो एडजस्ट करना, दैट इज मस्ट. तो आंसर में क्या आएगा? यू मस्ट नॉट कम आउट ऑफ द हाउस टिल इट स्टॉप्स रेनिंग. आपने ये चीज़ याद रखनी है, मॉडल इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय अ मेन वर्ब. मॉडल के पीछे हमेशा मेन वर्ब, जैसे मस्ट नॉट है इसके पीछे आपको कम मिलेगा. नेक्स्ट इज इट विल बी गुड इफ यू रिस्पेक्ट योर पेरेंट्स. You should respect your parents. Next is no smoking and we have to adjust the model can. No one can smoke here, or you can say you can't smoke here. Both are correct. Next is finish the work tonight and get weekend off. You must finish the work tonight and get weekend off. It's a horror movie. Children below 16 not allowed. It is a horror movie, so children below 16 cannot be allowed. Next is say that once more and you are going to be in trouble. You shall be in trouble. You shall be in trouble if you say that one more. The hotel restaurant is not open to non-residents. Non-residents can't enter the hotel restaurant. So mostly they are used in negatives. इसके अंदर कैन नॉट, शुड नॉट, मे नॉट ये लगा है. So in this way you have to do the rest other two also.